In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create and design beautiful covers for your ebooks and PDFs using easy and absolutely free tools. Just like the one you see on this screen, you should even create more beautiful ones than this. Hello once again, you're welcome to my YouTube channel where I give tips on what you can do as a business owner if you have any business online or even offline and you want to market your product and services. There are certain things that you will always need, and those are the things I try to concentrate my attention on this channel. So if you think that resonates with you, you can just consider subscribing to this channel so that anytime I release videos like that, you can always have access to them. Alright, in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how you can design a beautiful ebook cover for your ebooks. Now, most of us that do stuff online, we are always using ebooks, either selling ebooks or using these ebooks as lead magnets. Okay, so if you have a PDF and you want to either sell your PDF or you want to give it out to collect leads for your subscribers, it's always important that you have a beautiful cover for your ebooks so that people can like it and then they can show interest to what you want to give to them. So I'm going to be designing an ebook cover that looks like this. All right, so this is an ebook cover that I designed for my ebook that I use in collecting leads for my business. So if you want to design something that looks like this or even more beautiful than what I just did here, follow me as I will show you step by step on how you can do this all for free. So let's get ahead and start. All right, the very first thing you want to do is that you want to go to Canva. If you don't have an account with Canva, you can check the link in the description box below this video. I included a link there where you can register with Canva for free and you can try them out. Canva is a beautiful platform that helps anyone who wants to design graphics, and you're not a graphic designer. It's a perfect place for you to learn how to design very easy and very beautiful and professional looking graphics. Okay, so sign up with Canva, and if you have a Canva account already, just go ahead and type in canva.com. Alright, right now I'm in my Canva account and I want to believe that you are here already. And like I said, if you're not here, check the link in the description box below so that you can sign up with Canva and you can get here. So once you get here, what we want to do on Canva right now is that we want to design an ebook cover. So you're going to come to create a design. Alright, you come to ebook. Just type ebook cover. You see it here popped out. You click on it. Alright, so once it gives you this, you come to elements, click on elements. And because the ebook cover that I am trying to create has something to do with start your online business in 72 hours. So I'm going to be looking for an image that looks like money, that has money description in it. So depending on what you want to do, you just look for an image that resonates with the kind of business or the kind of anything that your ebook is talking about. So for me, I'm going to come to elements and type in money here and click on it. All right, from the displayed options here, I'm going to choose any one that I think I like, but for this tutorial you can see the picture that I have here, so I'm going to be selecting that picture. So that is this already. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be selecting, and then once this comes up here, I'm going to right click and I'm going to use set image as background and click on it. All right, once it gives me that, now because I'm going to be laying a text on this image, if I lay a text exactly like this, it will not be visible enough for people to see. It will not pop out for people to see. So I'm going to reduce the transparency of this image. And how do I do that? I click on the image. Once I click on the image, this particular sign pops up, which is transparency. I click on it. Okay, then I'm going to drag it from 100. I'm going to just drag it. Okay, I leave it at, okay, I'm going to leave mine at 57. Let's see what it's going to look like. Okay, once I do that, I come to my test. All right, I come to my test. I can decide to use the default text font, and I can decide to choose something that I like. For me, I love this chewy font type. I always use it a lot, so I'm going to click on it. Once I click on it, it pops up here. All right, so this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be deleting this rider here. Okay, so I'm going to click on the rider and enter my delete key. Okay, that is deleted. So I'm going to write here, like we have here, how to. So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to select and say how to. Okay, I'm using small letters, so I'm going to drag it up here. I'm going to drag it up. I'm going to make sure that it's in the center. All right, so you can see the line showing me that it's centralized now. So I'm going to just drop it there. Okay, I'm going to pick the same again. I'm going to remove the rider again. I'm going to select all, and then what do I have here? Start your online business in 72 hours. So I'm going to be writing that. Start your online business in 72 hours. Okay, so I'm going to, once I have that, I'm going to bring it down to the center also. Okay, so this is my main topic, so I'm going to try to make sure that it's in the center. All right, so I'm going to leave it there. For this, I'm going to be reducing it, reducing the font. You can see what I'm doing. Just do exactly like that. I bring it back to the center again. I push it up a little bit. Okay, so let's see what I have here. All right, so even if you currently don't know what to sell, so I'm going to just come back here and put it. Once again, I'm bringing this down. I'm dragging it down. I'm removing the rider again. I'm selecting everything, even if you currently don't know what to sell. All right, so when I do that, I'm going to reduce the fonts massively. Okay, I'm going to drag it in. I'm going to stretch it. Okay, try to make it in the center again. All right, just as we have here. Okay, so let's go back and see. All right, I'll say okay. I think this is looking like it. All right, so I'm going to leave it like this. Of course, I will advise that you can take more time to work on your colors, work on your contrast, and make it as beautiful as you want. For me, I'll just put it here like this for the sake of this tutorial. I don't want it to be too long. Okay, so once I have this, I think I'm okay with this. Let me check it and see what it looks like. Okay, so it looks like what I want. So I'm going to close it again. All right, then I'm going to download this. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to download it. For me to download, I come to download button here. All right, I choose the PNG and I just download. So once I click on this download, it goes right into my computer. All right, so that was the first step. Now let's go over to the second step on how to finish up our mockup. All right, so the second thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to head over to another website. Okay, again, if you check the link in the description box below this video, you're going to see that website, www.diybookcovers.com. All right, so I'm going to come over here to this website. This is also a free tool for us to use to finish up our mockup. Okay, so once I'm here, I'll come to book design and come to 3D mockups. All right, and click on 3D mockups. Okay, once I come over here, let's scroll down. Now you can see here, it has given us different options from where we can choose from. All right, so if you check my description ebook cover, you see that I'm actually choosing this. Okay, so you can use any of them that you feel you want to use. For me, I'm going for this. All right, once I do that, I'll scroll up again and then I click on next. All right, so what I'm going to do next right now is to upload the image that we designed in Canva here. Okay, so I'll come over here and click on browse. I'll go to my computer where I downloaded that particular image. Let me search for it. All right, so this is the image here. I'm going to click on it and upload it, and then I'm going to click on upload. All right, it has been uploaded. If you check here, you see it. Okay, it's getting uploaded. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'll come over to this second spine. This is the spine of your design. Okay, I'm going to be using the same image for my spine. Okay, but if you like, you can choose a different image for your spine, but for me, I'm using the same image. So I'm going to come and click on this browse again, and then I pick the same image and then I click on upload. Okay, all right, so once I do that, I click on next. All right, at this point, my mockup is ready. All right, so if you click here, you can either download your design as a PNG file or a JPEG file. Okay, but of course, I always prefer the PNG. So all I will do right now is just to come to this PNG and click on it. All right, once I click on it, it's going to automatically download my video, my image for me. All right, so all you need to do is just to go over to your computer and check where the image is downloaded. For me, mine can be found, where are you? Okay, it's here. All right, so let me click on it. Now you can see that, boom, you have an excellent work here. Okay, so you can use this method to design any book cover, any ebook cover that you feel you want to design for all your book cover. Make sure you do it more beautifully than this, so that if you're selling your ebook, people can buy it. Remember, people judge the content of your book by your book cover. And if you're also using it to collect leads, it's also be good that you give them a beautiful image. Thank you very much for watching this video. If it makes any sense to you, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video, so that the algorithm can work well, so that other people who need something like this can get to see it. Thank you very much and have a lovely time.